Demystifying AI Algorithms, How Artificial Intelligence Works. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're embarking on a journey into the fascinating world of AI algorithms. These powerful computational recipes are the brains behind artificial intelligence, driving everything from self-driving cars to recommendation systems. Join us as we demystify AI algorithms and explore how they work. Chapter 1, The Essence of AI Algorithms. At the heart of artificial intelligence are algorithm sets of instructions that guide machines to perform specific tasks. These algorithms are designed to mimic human cognitive functions, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. They are the foundation upon which AI systems are built. Chapter 2, Machine Learning Algorithms. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that enable computers to learn from data. These algorithms are divided into three main categories. Supervised learning, algorithms learn from labeled data to make predictions or classifications. Unsupervised learning, algorithms find patterns in unlabeled data, identifying clusters or associations. Reinforcement learning, algorithms learn through trial and error, optimizing their actions to maximize rewards. Chapter 3, Deep Learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that utilizes artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. These deep neural networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process and transform data. Deep learning has achieved remarkable success in image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Chapter 4, Common AI Algorithms. AI encompasses a diverse range of algorithms designed for specific tasks. Some of the most common ones include decision trees, used for classification and decision-making. Random forests, an ensemble learning method for improved accuracy. K-means clustering, unsupervised algorithm for data clustering. Support vector machines SVM, used for classification and regression. Neural networks, the backbone of deep learning, designed for complex tasks. Chapter 5, How AI Algorithms Learn. Understanding how AI algorithms learn is key to grasping their power. They undergo training processes where they analyze vast data sets, iteratively adjusting their parameters to minimize errors. This process allows AI systems to generalize their knowledge and make accurate predictions on new, unseen data. Chapter 6, Real-World Applications. AI algorithms are everywhere. In this section, we'll explore real-world applications of AI algorithms across various industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. We'll see how these algorithms enhance our daily lives. Chapter 7, Challenges and Ethical Considerations. While AI algorithms offer remarkable capabilities, they also raise important questions about ethics, bias, and transparency. We'll discuss the challenges and ethical considerations surrounding AI algorithm development and usage. Chapter 8, The Future of AI Algorithms. As AI continues to evolve, so too will its algorithms. Future advancements may lead to even more sophisticated algorithms capable of addressing complex challenges in fields like climate science, healthcare, and beyond. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI algorithms are the driving force behind artificial intelligence, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. By understanding how these algorithms work, we gain insights into the incredible potential and ethical responsibilities that come with AI technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI algorithms. If you found this video informative and engaging, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology.